just like it was yesterday. Little did I know, it would turn out to be a day to remember.
Hey guys, I'm bored. I don't want to waste our summer away. I want to do something fun.
Me too. What are you guys thinking?
I don't know.
I know. Let me see if Mom will let me borrow the car. We could all go down to Great America.
That's a great idea. Let's go.
All right. What should we do first?
Part of me wanted to run right to the Eagle, but tradition is tradition.
I know. Let's start at the beginning. The carousel.
All right.
I love that
Sounds like a
idea.
good plan. Let's go.
I'll race you. Oh, wait for me.
Our day in the park had just begun. After our ride on the carousel, we knew it was time to chase some thrills. We thought we were prepared, but then we came face to face with the demon.
Change your mind, 'cause gonna find out on a trip in the grip of a demon. Have you ever seen a demon? Have you ever heard him scream? Is the demon what he sees, or just a bad dream in your mind? You're gonna find out. Gonna see the demons, can you see the dude? You're only
Oh, I get that's the coast of Isle. I got a first time to say.
didn't they tell you the demon can smell you? You're delicious, delicious, demon. Don't look over your shoulder, just when you're feeling bolder, he'll be there in the air. A demon so demanding, so have this understanding that you're gonna die. You're gonna find out. He's a demon. He's a demon. He's a demon. He's a demon.
After surviving our run with the demon, we decided to chase a few friendly faces, and I knew just where to find them.
On that big world outside, it's a fact. Step out and don't look back. This is the time for having fun. You'll never do.
I like that. Come on,
I got things to show you. Let your love go, relax, and then before you know you're having fun, you'll feel like a kid again, having fun.
I changed it.
Just still think young, you'll never do. We'll sing and dance and everyone, we're gonna do it all before we're done. Join right in and sing a song. Come on, we're gonna celebrate. It's a fact. Step out and don't look back. This is the time for having fun. It's a fact. Step out and don't look back. This is the time for having fun. We'll sing and dance and everyone, we're gonna do it all before we're done. Join right in and sing a song. This is the time for having fun. You'll never do.
We all knew this would be a day we would never forget. And right then and there, I knew that we would come back to this place every summer.
And we did. We grew up with Great America, and Great America grew up with us. Now, these cherished memories from our childhood are shared with our family.
While these great moments may pass, great memories will live with us forever. Where it's a ride on the carousel, facing the demon, or dancing with friendly faces.
We know we are going to have a great day.
Today and for the next 50 years to come.
Thank you for joining us for Memories in Motion. We hope you have a wonderful evening and have a safe trip home.
Six Flags Great America in just a few minutes. Our 50 years of Thrills Parade will begin. Please stick around
Alright, that
and
doesn't look
celebrate
cool,
with
though.
us.
That's
Thank
just
you.
my fourth one, but it was good.